Hello, my brother. I will tell you nothing but the truth. I know cook today. I know cook today. Hello, my brother. Let me call you back. Even in the Bible, in the book of the Bible, Habakkuk chapter 11, verse 12, the Bible made us understand that thou shalt cook head for the milk to be sufficient for a man. So, you see the reason why you will not make heaven. Even Habakkuk in the Bible cooked well. You need to be cooking for you to make this heaven. My brother, no be food that they talk about, no kite. I'm a native doctor, kite can make even small ite, all pot na pot, cook it.
Jesus.
You cook it. Anything cookable, just cook it. Ite is not pot. Or kite, or small ite, or obelite. Cook it. No, Alan, find me some money there, I buy onions and granite oil here. We'll go cook inside. Oh no, about Lulu, now let's go inside. Cook it like just 1 minute. Even that, see, so let's go inside. Let's go cook it. Okay, my brother, even in the Bible, Habakkuk. So who are we not to cook? Even if it's not there, I don't know where they start, but I will not cook it. Oh no, go. Okay, you get to the point now.